You will learn how to upload folders and files to your Google Drive account and will also show you how to share a folder in Google Drive. Open your internet browser, click on Google App. Go to Drive. This is a Google Drive interface. Click on New. Select Folder. Give a name to your new folder. Click on Create. You have successfully created a new folder with the name Research. Now you can upload files to this folder. Click on New. You can upload a file or a folder. I will click on File Upload. Select the file you want to upload. The file has been uploaded successfully. Now I will tell you how to share this folder with anyone. To do so, right-click on the folder. Here you can see a lot of options. Click on Share. Here the settings are restricted. Only people added can open with this link. We have to change this setting. Click on Change to anyone with the link. Now anyone with the link can view this folder. You can copy this link and can share it with your friends. Click on Done. I am done with showing you how to upload folders and files to your Google Drive account and also showed how to share a folder with anyone on the internet.